Hello everyone. Today we are going to study the graph of glycine and its buffering range, and at the last we'll be determining the pKa value of it. So there are the values of pH we have got after each addition of 0.3 ml NaOH, and we are going to plot its graph taking the volume in the x-axis and the pH in the y-axis. So we go to the insert, and then from the chart, and we get the scattered graph with smooth lines, and here is our graph with the y-axis being the pH and x-axis being the volume of the NaOH. Here we get to see a drastic change of pH from 2.7 to 6.45, and some minor changes, one from 9 to 9.13 and another from 12.34 to 12.43. So these are its axis, and these are all these ones. Now we are going to determine the value of dpH by dV, that is the rate of change of pH with respect to the change in volume of our base. So this is the dpH by dpH by dV. So now we are for this we need to take the difference of the pH, that is 1.01. So for this we need to take 1.01 minus the difference between the pH, 1.01 minus 1, this will be in brackets, divided by the difference in volume of NaOH in ml. So 0.3 minus 0. So this is our value, that is 0.033. And now we click on the corner side of the cell, and then we drag it till the last, and that is how we get all the derivative values. So here it is. Okay. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to plot a graph where we take first derivative in y-axis and the volume in the x-axis. So let us draw the graph. Just a second. Yes, I think it will work. Yeah. Okay. So here is our graph, and we can see that there are few peaks, and these are the axes. So as I said that there has been some drastic changes in the first graph in the pH. That's why we see here that there is one huge peak and two other small peaks here. volume of NaOH, and the peaks here are, one is 12.5, I guess. Just a second. So let us check the pKa values now at total level. So this 12.5 is our first pKa value, and in another peak there is 1.33, that is another pKa value, and on another peak there is 0.667 pKa value. So these are our 3 peaks. Okay, so this in this peak is really small, so let us see the smallest peak shown here, which is in the range of 8 ml to 10 to 10.5 ml. And let's zoom it, let's make a graph and zoom it and check out its peak. So here is our graph, and the highest peak that is shown is definitely 0.66. the value is definitely 0.66. So our final 3 pKa values are 0.667, and the first one, the second one is 1.33, and the last one is 12.5. So I have zoomed it a little bit to make sure that you can see it. So this is all for this video. Thank you very much.